Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about how to create smart campaign in Google Ads. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's get to know what is smart campaign. And in the later part of the video, we'll show you how to create a smart campaign practically. Okay. So for learning more about smart campaign, we'll go to the official documentation of Google. So you can see over here, currently we're in the official documentation of Google. So smart campaign help you highlight selling points of your business and attract customers. You can create a single campaign for your business or run multiple campaigns to showcase different products or services your business offers, each with their own set of keyword themes. How ads work. When you sign up for a smart campaign, you will write an ad that describes your business. You will also choose which keyword themes you want to target your ad and set a budget. Your ad will automatically show to potential customers across Google Search, Google Maps, YouTube, Gmail, and Google partner websites. Your ad can show when potential customers in your geographic area search for phrases related to your business on Google or Google Maps. Your ad can also show for customers who are outside of your neighborhood but who include terms related to your businesses as well as your business location in their searches. How your ad appears. So you can see over here how your ad appears. So this is an example of smart campaigns. So you can see the headline, description, destination, URL link, business name, site links, map pin, phone number, address. So very useful doc. So I'm gonna share this doc file in the video description so that you can study further about smart campaign and you can learn more about how smart ads work. So let's see how we can practically create smart campaign from our Google Ads dashboard. Okay, so for creating new campaign, I'll click on this blue button called new campaign. Then I'm gonna click on new campaign again. Just wait a little bit. So I'm gonna be choosing create a campaign without a goals guidance. Then you can see we have different types of campaigns available here like search, performance max, display, shopping, video, app, smart. So for the time being, I'm gonna be choosing smart. Then I'll click on continue. Then you can see over here, let's get started. What is your business name? So I need to give a business name. So I'll be advertising for this website. So you can see the service name is or the brand name is Mastro Steel Detailing. So I'm gonna name the business as Mastro Steel Detailing. Okay, perfect. Then I'll click on next. Then you can see over here, where should people go after clicking your ad? Then I need to put my website URL over here because I want to send people to this website when they see my ads. So I'll click on next. Then you can see they're scanning my website. Okay, so you can see over here, thanks, people come here after they click your ad. So this is for the mobile version, and if I click on desktop, so this is for the desktop version. So I'll click on next. So you can see over here, what's your main advertising goal? So you need to choose the campaign goals or your advertising goals from here. Like if you want to generate more phone calls, then you can stick with the first option. Or if you want to get more website sales or leads, if you want to get more visit to your physical location, or if you want to get more views and engagement on YouTube. So I'll be choosing the second one, like get more website sales or leads, because I want to generate more leads from this website. So I'm going to be choosing the second one. Then I'll click on next. Then you can see loading goals. What customer action should your campaign be optimized to deliver? So you can see over here customer request contact. So this is recommended, or you can choose customer schedule an appointment. You can also choose customer fill out an information form, customer request a code, customer sign up for a product or service. So I'm going to be choosing this one and click on. So to continue, enter a subpage first. So I'll be choosing the first one because this one is recommended. Okay, so if you want, you can choose any options from here. So I'll click on next. Then you can see over here, now it's time to write your ad. I need to write the ads, so you can enter 15 headlines and 4 descriptions over here. So I would suggest you to use all the options. Okay, so the first headline, I'm going to be using structural steel detailing, and as the second headline, I'm going to be using steel fabricator near you. And as the third headline, I'm going to be using steel fabrication service, and I'll click on add headline. And as the fourth headline, I'm going to be using high quality steel near you, and I'll click on add headline again. And as the fifth headline, I'm going to be using trusted steel manufacturer, and I'll click on add headline. And as the headline 6, I'm going to be using professional steel fabricators. I'll click on add headline. And as the seventh headline, I'm going to be using excellent customer service. I'll click on add headline. I'll be using visit New Jersey. No, I'll not be using this one. As the headline 8, I'm going to be using budget friendly prices, and as the ninth headline, I'm going to be using high quality products. As the 10th headline, I'm going to be using up-to-date fabrication methods. As the 11th headline, I'm going to be using my service or brand name, Maestro Steel Detailing. As the 12th headline, I'll be using a steel construction company. As the 13th headline, I'm going to be using modern fabrication techniques. And as the 14th headline, I'm going to be using high quality services. And as the 15th headline, I'm going to be using view our work. Okay, so this is the call to action I can use, view our work. Okay, perfect. So you can see over here, I have entered all the 15 headlines, and I need to enter 4 descriptions, So actually I need to enter 3 descriptions. You can see over here. So the first description I'm going to be using: when you want strong, well-made steel construction, choose Master Steel Detailing, Then as the second headline, I'm going to be using: at Master Steel Detailing, we put quality first. Try our services now, call us. And as the third description, I'm going to be using: Master Steel Detailing offers a go-to steel fabrication service for great quality. Then I'll click on, actually we need to enter 4 headline, 4 descriptions. So as the last description, I'll be using: today is a great day to connect with us at Maestro Steel Detailing, call us. Okay, perfect. Then you can see over here, show a call button in your ad. So if I go to my landing page, then is there any phone number available here? Yeah, there is. So I'm going to be using this phone number. Okay, and I'll be choosing the country as United States, and I'll paste the phone number over here. So I'll click on next. Then you can see over here, add keyword themes to match your ad to searches. So those are the theme keywords. So you can choose from the suggested keyword themes if you want. So for choosing it, so they're by default selected because I have given my website URL, and on the basis of website URL they have taken the ideas of those keywords like steel detailing, advanced steel detailing, Tekla structural steel detailing, steel beam concrete wall connection, then I can enter steel detailer, structural steel detailing, structural steel detailer, steel construction company, structural steel connections. Okay, so you can see over here for best results, limit to 7 to 10 keyword themes. So I'm gonna remove some keyword theming from here, okay, because I want to use inside 7 to 10 keyword themes, so perfect. Then I'll click on next, and you can see over here you can choose this option like up next, show your ad in the right place. So you can choose the first option, or you can go to with the second option. So I'm going to be entering the location as Texas, United States. I'll not be choosing New Jersey. I'll be only choosing Texas. You see. Then I'll click on next. So you can see over here, set a budget to get the results you want. So you can choose $3.40, recommends for you $8.70, So I'm going to be choosing the recommended one, like $8.70, or you can enter the custom budget. Like if you click on enter your own budget, then you will have an option to enter your custom budget. Like this is the customize option, so I'll be going with the recommended one, and I'll click on next. So you can review your campaign to be sure it's right. So you can change your campaign name if you want, so if you want to change your campaign name like smart campaign mass flow, okay, I'll click on save. Then campaign goal is website traffic. Then you can see our website URL is this one, business name Master Steel Detailing, and those are the headlines, the 15 headlines I have used. Those are the 4 descriptions I'm using, and phone numbers, locations, keyword themes, budget. So if everything is okay, you can click on, you can see the preview of your ads, So those are the headlines, those are the descriptions, those are the phone calls, So if I click on next, then you can see over here our smart campaign has been created, So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how to create a smart campaign, Yeah. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Have a good day. Bye bye.